Hi everybody. I make this quick video for you to show you how to use the podcast software from PodOMatic. I think you'll find it pretty easy and pretty intuitive. So this is going to be a lot easier, I think, than you probably expect it to be. So first, as you can see here, I'm going to jump over to PodOMatic.com, and you are going to get the free software here. Okay, this is free to use. They do have a paid version. Don't pay for it. Just use the free version and build yourself an account and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, as you can see, I'm in my account, and up here by my name, you have this create button. If you click that create button, it's going to bring you to this new screen, and as you can see, they're looking for you to select and upload media, title it, add an image like a thumbnail, and then publish it. You should be saying to yourself, wait a minute, I haven't recorded anything yet. That's right, you got to record something first. So you want to click over here, how to publish. Okay, this will take you right over to the publishing site where you get the recorder software. Okay, it's kind of a two-step process, a little bit of a pain, but when you jump over here, okay, and just scroll down, it'll talk about setting up your microphone, making sure that everything works on your computer, do's and don'ts if you're really into reading that or whatever. And we are going to use this online voice recorder. This is another free piece of software, and there's a tutorial here from this lady how to use it. I think you'll again find it really intuitive. You probably won't need that, but I'm going to go ahead and load that up right now. So I'll be right back. Okay. So as you can see, I clicked that, opened it up here, and this is the recording thing. So go over here to the red button, as the sign says, push red button to start recording, and we will be recording here in just a second. So this is the vocal piece that you're going to be using. Okay, so we'll go ahead and allow this to work. And as usual, you got to push a couple of buttons to make everything work the way you want to. But right now, while I'm making this video, this is also recording my voice. Okay, so this is where in your assignment for the week you would be either interviewing somebody. So if you get your kid in there, your wife or husband, get a friend of yours, whatever. If you know somebody that's willing to talk to you about it, or about a drug problem, or some of their interaction with drugs, that would be a really good person to bring in on this assignment. But basically, you're going to be having the discussion about the criminal justice reform bill passed in Massachusetts from the website by Senator Will Brownsberger, and sentencing reform. Okay, if you don't have someone to talk to, then it's going to be a narrative, basically what I'm doing for you right now. And some of you may find that a little bit easier. Some of you who are a little more extroverted might find sitting here talking to yourself a little more tough. So kind of think about how you want to approach this. Maybe, get your creative hat on a little bit. Think about how you want to address this assignment, and then go from there before you jump right in. It'll probably save you some trouble. But anyway, so you can see that we've recorded this discussion. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. Here's my recording that I just made for you. If I wanted to take some stuff out, maybe I decided I didn't like, the first couple of minutes, or I sneezed or something, I can do that. And if I want to shave off the end a little bit, I can bring it down here, shave off the end, and make that clip right there. So it's a wicked, simplistic editing system on this, but hey, it's free, so that's all right. I'm going to click save, and it's going to make this into a file. You're going to save the file someplace in your computer system, your desktop, or whatever. Then we're going to head back to my podcast. So I will meet you back over there in just a moment. Okay, guys, I want to show you something real fast. I clicked to save that voice recording that I made, and it took about it probably took between 5 and 7 minutes to render down that recording. And then the main screen here showed back up again. And you have to click to save again. That's when you get your file and you give it the name down here. So you click to save and then click to save. It's a two-step process. All right, so just give it a name. I'm going to call this one sample, and I am going to save it in my I'm going to save it in my desktop here so it's easy to find, and click save, and that'll be good to go. Okay, be right back. Okay, so you can see I'm back in my podcast PodOMatic website, and back on again under this create tab here, and we are going to put this podcast up onto the internet now. So we're going to add files, and I grab my sample file from my desktop, and gotta find it. Here it is, and open. Let's go ahead and start the upload process, and that will get in there, and I'm going to call this my sample voice recording. I'm going to say made with screencast video. Okay. Add an image or a thumbnail. So I'm going to grab an image here off of my, get it out of my picture file. And I got these cop lights here that I was using for something else. So I'm going to grab those and upload that. There's my cop lights image. Okay, and we can go with as far as quality level, whichever one. They're defaulting to the music one here, so I'm going to go ahead and just go with that, and we will then boom, publish the episode. Okay, so click publish. No thanks, I don't want to give any money, I like free stuff. So this is going to take a minute to publish to the web, and I'll be right back. Oh, or not, right? So here it is already. So this link right here, the shareable link, this is what you're going to grab, and this is what you are going to submit to Canvas for your homework. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just copy this link, and excuse me, we will get out of here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get out of all of this, just so we know we are using the link, you know, from a fresh spot. So I'm going to get out of here, and I'm going to open up a new tab, paste my link, and go. And bad gateway error. Temporary unavailable at the moment. Okay, well, that's their problem. Of course, that would happen while I'm making a sample video, but you can see how easy it would be once I paste my link. If everything was working at PodOMatic, which says they're not for the moment, but if everything was, you would see my podcast on here, and away we would go. All right. Okay. So that's how you do it. Good luck on your homework, and have fun. Bye.